Get a needle with a large eye. Then get your embroidery thread. This one is on a plastic spool. Unwrap a little more than you think you'll need and then cut it off. Most embroidery thread is made up of 6 individual strands wrapped together. If your pattern calls for it, or if you want a thinner look, you can separate the strands. Most common is using 3 strands at one time. Just be careful not to get it tangled up. Hold the thread at the end and then very carefully feed it through the eye of the needle. When you're sure all of the strands are through, pull it out until you have a long tail. You don't want the thread to slip back out. If you have a needle threader, these guys can be pretty useful for threading a needle too. Just feed the metal part of the threader through the eye of the needle. Then feed your thread through the needle threader. Holding the needle in one hand, use the other hand to pull the needle threader out of the needle. You might need to wiggle it a little bit. Take the needle threader off the thread. Make sure to leave a tail hanging down, and you've got yourself a threaded needle. You are ready to start sewing or embroidering.